Hello, welcome back to our Splashes YouTube channel. My name's Lara and I'm at our new Central Surrey showroom. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your bathroom feel like a luxurious day at the spa. Keeping the luxury theme in mind, vanity countertops should be both practical and beautiful. Whether it's a beautiful sink on a cool granite countertop or our Duval countertops with built-in sinks, which we carry in many sizes. Some of the sizes include 24-inch, 30-inch, 36-inch, and you can get a 48-inch or a 60-inch in both a single bowl or a double bowl. And we can help you set the mood with lighting. Forget harsh overhead lighting when it's time to sink beneath the bubbles. When it comes to relaxation, soft glowing lamps are where it's at. Enhance your bathroom with one of our Clea mirrors, which offer 2 touch light options. A soft, cool blue for those long, relaxing evenings in the tub. And a bright light for when you need that natural bright light for doing makeup. Imagine hot bath, book in hand, coffee, bliss. Some of our bathtub manufacturers offer an optional chromatherapy scheme. Color-changing LEDs allow you to change the color scheme of your bathroom all at the touch of a button. It can even cycle through the entire rainbow all by itself, all while you relax in the tub. If there's a room that deserves a little luxury, it's the bathroom. And if there's anyone that deserves a little luxury, it's you. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment below to let us know what your favorite bathroom luxury product is. And if you want to see more, visit one of our BC showrooms.